Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best blue ink 12-pack ballpoint pen, the BIC Round Stitch Grip Xtra Comfort. Let's unpack why this pen has become a staple for students, professionals, and anyone who writes daily. First, let's talk about the design. Each pen in this 12-count pack features a clean, practical design with a translucent barrel so you can keep an eye on your ink levels. The soft grip isn't just there for looks, it genuinely adds a level of comfort that makes long writing sessions easier on the fingers. Whether you're jotting down lecture notes, filling out forms at the office, or writing your next big idea, these pens are built for comfort and control. The medium point is sized at 1.2 millimeters. That might seem like just a number, but in the world of ballpoint pens, it strikes a balance between fine precision and bold clarity. This makes it incredibly versatile. Your writing is neat but legible, making it suitable for everything from notebooks to legal documents. Now let's talk ink. BIC uses what they call the Easy Glide system, a proprietary ink formulation that makes a noticeable difference. The flow is smooth and steady. There are no skips, no smears, and the ink dries quickly. It's consistent from the first stroke to the last, and that kind of reliability is what makes these pens dependable. It also uses a tungsten carbide ball at the tip. That's a high-density material that contributes to smoother ink distribution. Each pen in this pack comes filled with vibrant blue ink. It's professional but stands out more than black. Whether you're a student underlining important notes or a manager signing off on a deal, this shade of blue hits the sweet spot between readability and style. And let's not overlook value. At under $4 for a dozen, this pack delivers high utility at a low cost. That breaks down to just a few cents per pen, and yet each one performs like a premium writing tool. Plus, they're long-lasting, so you won't be tossing one in the trash every few days. This isn't just about office supplies, it's about finding tools that make everyday tasks a bit more enjoyable. The BIC Round Stitch Grip Xtra Comfort isn't flashy, but it's consistent, reliable, and thoughtfully made. That's why it's been bought thousands of times and continues to hold a top spot in its category. So if you're looking to upgrade your pen game without breaking the bank, this is a no-brainer. Pick up a pack and experience the difference yourself. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews of everyday products that actually matter. See you in the next one.